I had a chat with one of my members, with one of my clients, and I explained her why it is beneficial to use one app, one software for all of your contacts, email marketing, let's say website opt-in pages, contacts management to make sales, be able to send an individual email out to each person, or send a blast email to the whole list of yours at once, or even to manage your customers and make notes in this one app. So I explained her in this video how to use a GoHighLevel app and why should we use it, so we can have all of our automations, contacts, conversation, all of the things in one place, and why is it beneficial. So I just want to share this with you. And if you would want to use this same app, I can give accounts away, and I can give it to you as well. And I also have a snapshot with all of the pages, automations that you would need, and we can import it into your account as well. So message me if you would be interested, but let's check into this right now. For example, we use Skool to host our membership, right?
Yes.
But then we need to use certain email marketing software or whatever, right? To be able to build an email list, to be able to manage the contacts, to be able to create automations, to be able to later on, when a new email lead comes in or whatever, right? An email sequence that's automated can be sent out to that person correctly, right?
Correct.
So I have now come across a software that I started using, and I am giving it to my clients as well, because I want us to all have similar software to use to manage all of these conversations, contacts, automations in one place.
Yes.
I need to speak with you about this because it's all connected to this, let's say, software, even like waitlist building, writing new contacts down, even making one-on-one coaching packages, sales or memberships. It's all managed in this one app, right?
Yes.
This app, it's called GoHighLevel app, that I give now accounts to whoever I work with, right? It allows us to do all of this, right?
Okay.
So it allows us to send blast emails out. You can have opt-in pages, all of these small things that we need. And I already created an automated snapshot template that can just be imported, let's say, into your account as well, if we use it, right? Now, me and you need to go through 2 stages right now. Waitlist building or an interest list building, like who is interested in knowing more, right? And we need to write those people down. And you already wrote some. Okay.
Yes.
So we need to write as many people as possible more down. And by the way, we're going to now write them into this new software that I'm giving you as well. We're going to not have things on an Excel document anymore or any other places. This software is going to help us make more sales and manage the leads correctly. And from social media, we're going to keep building this list. Okay. We need to expand this list right now because we're going to launch this founding members group.
Right.
We're going to be like, hey guys, come in for a special offer right now as a founding members, right? So I'm telling you this because we need to go through these steps right now soon in the next 1, 2, 3 weeks together or so, whatever, right?
Yeah, I'm ready for the wait list. That's where I'm at.
Yeah,
and just getting
expanding the wait list and then opening the doors to that list.
Yeah.
But then continuously keep going. Keep building the list. We will not call it wait list anymore. We'll call it interest list, right? I mean, leads or whatever, contacts, and then keep adding more people into it. This software is going to allow us to do this because here under contacts, and now I am in my account already, right? I have all of my contacts.
Okay.
I also have opportunities here. I have a few pipelines here. I have my existing customers.
Yeah.
So I know exactly who is on my, let's say, affiliate and who is in my mini membership. And I launched these 2 now. Then I have another pipeline of who I'm scheduling calls with right now. And I don't know where these people are going into yet. I don't know, are they going to be a mini member or are they going to be high ticket client or a high member? I don't know. But I'm able to at least see and move my contacts around, like whoever I need to sell to, right? For example, even your contacts for mini membership, right? They can be seen here. later on. Like you're going to have 10, 15 people who you really need to close the sale with, right? We're going to know that they need to be moved forward, right? So that's one element to this.
So different stages, got it. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you can visually see who you need to follow up with if needed.
Nice.
Especially now at the beginning. But then you can talk to this. We can also tag all of these people, right? Like email list is included in here. Email marketing, I mean, right?
How are you importing? Are you putting them in yourself manually, or are you importing
no,
somewhere?
Yeah, good question. But we do both.
Okay.
Some people we put in manually, like we get their email, but we do that via, even from your MailChimp, we can import all of those and we can tag them.
Okay.
And then there is the third way, which is very much related to this waitlist building. I'll explain you that right now. But how else we build this list or this software? I will go under sites, and we build them through opt-in pages as well. For example, I created this opt-in page where people can request more info about our support community, right?
Okay.
We can send YouTube traffic to this page.
Yes.
Or we can send Instagram traffic to this page. We can create a content piece on Instagram. Hey, comment down below, let's say breathwork, right? Or whatever. If you want to get more info about our breathwork community. They will comment on Instagram, and we can even set up an automated automation via this software. It automatically DMs them with this link.
Okay.
But that's for bigger people. For us smaller ones, we just do it manually. Hey, get to this page. You're going to then get more info about this community, right? So that's how we build a waitlist as well.
So that'll be the main focus that I have these next 30 days.
I mean, for you, for the next 10, 20 days, our focus is going to be to get as many people as possible into this page, or we don't even need to get them to visit this page. We can even manually be like, DM them, hey, I'm about to open this community. I'm going to have more details now soon in the next week or two. Are you interested? Oh, yes, you are. What's your email? So I can email you when I have more info. We can manually get an email, or we can just send them to this page and they put it, right? I have automations in here of what happens if someone opts in, or if what happens, do this if next, right, with that person, or with if someone submits a forum, right, add them a tag and send them an email, right?
Okay.
Those small automations can be done in this software as well. And I do have a template for the basic ones already. Our goal right now is going to be to build your waitlist to as many people as possible. I even have two email sequence, two content plans to go through. Like one is for waitlist building and another one is for selling membership, right?
Yes.
So I have those templates for you as well, and they will be also imported soon through this software. I'll put them already. There is 8 emails or 8 content pieces that can be sent out to our existing email list or repurposed on social media to get more people to comment or to visit that waitlist building page.
Right.
So we're going to need, me and you're going to need to post through these content pieces or whatever to get even more people raise hands. Okay. I know that we are not dealing with a big audience, no problem. But hey, 1 + 1 is usually 2, 3, 4. And, we just keep adding a little bit on this waitlist, right, of people, right? Anyway, that's this full picture.
Very clean, yes.
I mean, it's getting there, right? And then this sequence later on becomes an automated one. When we get a new lead, I mean, I have to, this is a promotional one, right? When we get a new email lead from YouTube, from whichever, with this software, we're going to have an automation. It's going to send them out emails automatically for the next few days or so. It automatically sells them the membership, right?
Right. We have those emails drafted too. I think I did those.
Yeah. So you see, that's how I'm planning this system to work. First we launch, but then it becomes an automated system. We just keep feeding it with more contacts. Like, look, with one click, I'm going to import to you or to whoever the complete system, right?
Yeah.
With the funnel, with the opt-in pages, with the few automations, and even automated email sequences that I'm going to just put them there. It's so much faster for me to uplift a new person to start working together.
Yeah, you want to accelerate.
Right.
That's good. That's what we're all about. So accelerating results. Yeah.
And if you're in this for a long term, right, what you're going to later on all the time focus on as well is, let's say, creating YouTube videos, right? Or maybe going on podcasts or those kind of long-term activities. But those, let's say, YouTube videos can always keep feeding your list.
Yes, we are already on doing those. We already have 4 up and we have another 7 we just did. So
Right.
That's where I have my team working on those, my students.
Yeah. I'm just saying this, right, because from my YouTube channel, a lot of people come now into my email list and to my school, free school, and that's my lead magnet, really, right?
Yeah.
And on long term, this kind of all of this starts compounding here in your contacts list, right? And
Yes.
so
Yeah, I saw your YouTube page, actually, all of those things. So I've been working on making sure all my branding is consistent and timeline. So no, all the parts. I've been working on every part. So because there's so many parts. So if you ever want to build a team beyond you, let me know. That's what I do. Is I don't work alone anymore. I can't. You're working with the customers, and so do I. But I need extra team for all the things we do.
Right, that's going to be another element to this system later, how to have some people to work with you, support you, right?
And this is actually my personal commitment to how do I say, not get it right this time, but it's just I've tried so many different ways, and I'm like, no, this has got to be it, because I've done.
Like, that's my point here. Same here, right? I've done so many things. I mean, like, but this is going somewhere right now, I promise. Like, because I was looking for something all this time, like, I mean, this model just makes sense. I mean, it's recurring income. You can get one-on-one clients, and it's automated as well. So I needed this tool now to have it, and it should be in one place or in 2 places, no problem, right? That is.
We need our lives to be organized, systemized, easy, and then we also have to have ourselves committed ongoingly, even, and that's, I said, work together as a community.